Did you know eyeballs are naturally low-fat, high-protein healthy snacks? No, not real eyeballs. I mean these protein sugar-free eyeball cake pops. First thing you need is almond flour. Exact measurements are in the description box. Next, add the vanilla protein powder and mix. Add water, cocoa powder, and stir well. And the last ingredient is coconut flakes. You will need some small round fruit for the center. If you can't find giant blueberries like I did, you can use seedless grapes. Wash and dry the fruit before using it. Some skewers or toothpicks might come in handy. Form the dough around the fruit and skewer it. Make as many as you want and freeze them. Break up some white sugar-free chocolate, link in the description, into small equally sized pieces and melt it over a double broiler on medium heat, stirring constantly. Be very patient with white chocolate as it has to be melted over a lower temperature compared to normal chocolate, so it takes a little longer. If you overheat it, it hardens back up. If that happens to you, don't panic, just bring the heat back down. Get your balls out of the freezer and dip them in the melted white chocolate, then tap them on the side of the bowl to let the chocolate drip down over every side. Let the balls set up completely and dip the bottoms to cover them entirely. Once they are completely hardened on all sides, it's time to bring out the food-safe paints. I used gel coloring in black, blue, green, brown, yellow and red and a clean and new paintbrush. First I tried using food markers, but the fat in the chocolate was preventing the marker from transferring, so I went with the brush instead. You can try using a bottle cap with paint on it to mark a circle first if your hand isn't super steady. You can look up some pictures of eyes online and try your best to recreate the complexity of the iris. The more details, the better. Finish your edible art with the pupil and let the paint dry very well, ideally for a full day. It's time for the final step, to glaze the eyes, so they are shiny and smooth like real eyes. You will need gelatin. Prepare it according to the instructions on the back, but reduce the water you're adding to 1/4 of the amount in the instructions. Before glazing, I will give the paint a coat of confectioner glaze to seal the design. If you skip this step, the gelatin will most likely smudge the paints even if they appear to be dry. Put the eyes on a rack and pour the room temperature gelatin in a Ziploc bag. Cut off a corner and pour it over each eye. Let the gelatin set up and they are ready. Are these delicious? Hell yes. Are they easy to make? Hell no. Happy Halloween 2020. Stay healthy, everybody.